Kathmandu, a city carrying millions of dreams. People come here to work, study, and whatnot. But do we care? Absolutely not. Because today we are leaving Kathmandu and heading to Gulmi in this forced traveler powered by a 2.6-liter FMCR 3-cylinder diesel engine producing approximately 115 horsepower and 350 newton meters of torque. Why am I telling you this? I have absolutely no idea. Totally irrelevant to the video, but as a car enthusiast, I'm legally required to mention it. Anyways, after spending months breathing Kathmandu's premium quality pollution and enjoying its relaxing symphony of horns, traffic jams, and construction noises, it's finally time to leave. Honestly, I'll miss the chaos. And by miss, I mean not miss it at all. So begins a 13-hour journey to Gulmi.
ओ सनम ओ जिगर तुमको हो क्या ही खबर कैसे कटी ये रातें हैं कहते हैं सब मगर कोई चलाना इन पर रास्ते जो मैंने नापे हैं कभी है तारों की झिलमिल कभी न दिखती मंजिल ऐसा सफर मेरा मैं भागा भागा सदियों से जागा आया हूँ मीलों गांव से ना हम सफर कोई ना अपना घर यारा रहता हूँ बहती नाव पे दिखते हैं ख्वाब जो जागती आँखों को सपने नहीं इरादे हैं पूरे वो करने को चल पड़े नंगे पैरों खुद से किए जो वादे हैं रुकना न कभी भी था हल चलना ही तो है मंजिल मैं ना कहीं ठहरा
After crossing multiple districts, surviving Nepal's finest roads, and spending enough time in a vehicle to develop an emotional connection with the seat, we have finally arrived. Gulmi, the destination, the reason this video exists. And now, enough talking.
भागा भागा सदियों से जागा आया हूँ मीलों गांव से ना हम सफर कोई ना अपना घर यारा रहता हूँ बहती नाव पे
Days 2 and 3, I actually came to Gulmi for some personal work, but unfortunately for you, that part of the documentary has been protected by top secret government level security. So we're skipping straight to day 4. Today we began at the completely reasonable time of 5 am because apparently normal people wake up when the sun rises. Our destination was a jungle that used to be a village 20 to 30 years ago, approximately, which means that somewhere beneath all these trees, bushes, and suspiciously mosquito looking insects, there was once a community of people living their lives. Pretty cool, right?
छ कि नै उता जाने बाटो
छन् त छ के रे
तर हिँड्नु मैले
Peak adventure.
ज्याकेट जाते हैं
As we started walking deeper into the jungle, he gave us an important warning. Watch out for leeches. Now, as an intelligent human being, I naturally thought, how bad could it be? Famous last words. A few minutes later, while everyone else was peacefully enjoying nature, The leeches apparently identified me as an all you can eat buffet. One, two, three, four. Four leeches out of all people present, they chose me.
जुकाले त हो नि होइन जुका खै त यहीँ होला कस्तो चिक 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 यो एउटा खुट्टामा त भयो होइन बिसाउमा त यार ओइ कसरी समात्छु
Although, to be fair, I was so busy recording everything that I did not even realize they had climbed onto me. While everyone else was looking out for leeches, I was looking out for cinematic shots. Yes, I was. The leeches saw this lack of awareness and immediately recognized as a business opportunity. The leeches got a free breakfast and I got a content. I'd say that's a fair trade. Anyway, after donating blood to the local wildlife, we continued exploring the jungle and capturing some amazing shots. So enjoy the footage. And if you ever visit a jungle and someone warns you about leeches, take the warning seriously, unlike me.
सफर लिखा हाथ की लकीरों में नखों ने दिया ख्वाब को ताबीरों में शहर की हवा ने मुझ में रंग भरे मैं भूला सा पुरानी तस्वीरों में सफर लिखा हाथ की लकीरों में नखों ने दिया ख्वाब को ताबीरों में देख के रब ने आज़म मुझे भर दिए कि उठ सकूं बुलंद तकदीर से सफर लिखा हाथ की लकीरों
Now, before we begin the journey, I have some heartbreaking news. The original plan was to go back in a Scorpio. Yes, a Scorpio. The king, the legend. The vehicle I was actually excited to spend 13 hours in. But for reasons still unknown to the modern science, we ended up in a forced traveler. Now, don't get me wrong, the traveler did the job perfectly, but I wanted to experience Scorpio. Was I disappointed? Absolutely. Did I have a choice? Absolutely not. So my dreams shattered and my bags packed. The journey began. Me repeatedly checking Google Maps as if it would make me arrive faster. Interestingly, the return journey only took 12 hours instead of 13, which means I had the privilege of witnessing what can be described as a Nepal GP. As a car enthusiast and also as a semi professional race car driver, I was having the time of my life. But listen to this. Every damn part of the bus was rattling. But despite all that, I enjoyed every minute of it, uh, and just like that, we're back to Kathmandu. And by but despite all that, I enjoyed every minute of it. Not the rattling, but the racing. And just like that, we're back to Kathmandu. Back to the traffic, back to the noise, back to the chaos, and somehow back to normal life.
सफर लिखा हाथ की लकीरों में नखों ने दिया ख्वाब को ताबीरों में देख के रब ने आज़म मुझे भर दिए कि उठ सकूं यो भएन है यिनीहरूको छि कति ढिलो हिँडे मस्त फास्ट हिँड्नुपर्छ